Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at downloading and installing PrintUP. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the program or the tutorial. So like I mentioned in the previous video, we're going to be looking at PrintUP, the software. It is free, which is great. So if you want to try it out on your machine, this is where you will find it. So what we want to do is we want to head to the URL or the website. Let me zoom here for you guys. It is, sorry, I'm not sure what's wrong with my zooming at the moment. There we go. cncu.co.za. So if you Google this or just type it in your address bar on top here, press enter, then it should take you to this website. Now the main menu you're looking for, the sub menu, it's a little bit hard to see these menus here because of the busy background, but if you go here to printers and then under printers, you'll see it right at the bottom we've got PrintUP 3D printer. So I'm just going to click that and then load the new page. Now, as we can see here, this has changed to PrintUP 3D printer, so that means it has loaded. So in case you're still waiting for it, then if you go down, we can see over here we've got a few different options. So now we're going to be looking at these bottom two, so the PrintUP 2 and then color channel letter 3D printing G-code generator. It's an important one. So we have two options. The one is the folder structure and the bottom one is a zip file. So if you want to download the program, you can simply just click on this one. I will show you, and then on top my download will automatically start downloading. So once it's done, it will be in your download folder. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can click on this one with a folder structure, and now we can see the entire folder structure. And this can be handy. Let's say your configuration got messed up, then you can always go here, you go in here, and then you can actually manually download these files and to replace them, which can be handy. You can just simply also click on a file and download it, or if you want to download the whole package, you can just go over here, click here, download this folder, and then it will do basically what we just did with the zip file. So now if we head to the actual zip file, so like I mentioned, it will be under your downloads folder, so just look wherever that is located. Otherwise, alternatively, most internet browsers, you can just click and then you can go over here to show in folder and it will open the location for you. So then once it is done, you want to unzip this to an area where you want to use it. Now, normally programs are installed to the program files folder, but you need administrative rights. I would say just open this maybe in your documents or somewhere like that. But it is important, you're going to have to extract this, so you can either open it and drag and copy this out, or copy and paste, or you can just right click it, and then depending on the type of zip program you have, you can just say extract. So I'm going to go extract all and just leave it here in my downloads folder just for the sake of the tutorial, and just wait for that to finish. Okay, there we go. Now we've got the actual folder. Make sure you open this one and not go into your zip file and open that, otherwise it will not work. Now once we've opened this, we've got some icons. I'll just try zoom in here a bit so you guys can see better. So we've got the PrintUP 2 exe, so that'll be the one you want to use to open the actual program. Now unlike most other programs, so you have to install it first, this you simply just unzip and install it. So it's very quick. You can keep a backup of that, and then also every now and then just make sure you've got the latest version. You can always go to the website and see. Now yeah, that is it on the actual downloading and install. I'll just run this so you can see kind of what the program looks like, and as you can see, lightweight, very fast to open. I'm really impressed with the software considering it's free and you need basically no 3D experience to use this. But we will be going over some basics that will really help you to navigate spaces and get the program running. But before that, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. You can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, you can always request the training video over here on the left. Fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.